Hello and welcome to this instructional video on Chipy.com, where we will show you how to submit bonus feedback and earn rewards for sharing your gambling experience with the community. All the bonuses on our site have a success rate based on real players' experience and backed by screenshots as proof. The best part? If you contribute to our ratings and meet all the conditions, you will get rewarded with experience points and coins for each feedback you submit. Submitting feedback is easy and can be done in 4 ways. By clicking the work/doesn't work buttons in the bonus box, using the Add Feedback form in the bonus box from the bonus page, or through the bonus feedback pop-up displayed after claiming a promotion. Make sure you log into your account before you submit your rating. Only logged-in members will be rewarded for bonus feedback. To submit feedback, first, mark the bonus with Works or Doesn't Work by pressing the thumbs up or thumbs down buttons on the right side of the bonus box. If the promotion worked, you should press the green button. Alternatively, if you couldn't successfully redeem the bonus, you should press the red button. Then, upload up to 5 screenshots of your successful or unsuccessful attempts to claim the bonus by clicking the Upload Screenshot button. Remember to include any relevant images that prove the bonus worked or didn't work for you, such as casino chat screenshots, account interface screenshots, or in-game images. Under no circumstances should you post any screenshots that contain sensitive information like name, address, card details, etc. Make sure you blur out or crop any image that contains personal details. After uploading your screenshots, you can provide additional written feedback, which can be helpful to other members. Once you're ready, click the Send Feedback button, and your comment will be automatically published. Your feedback will be reviewed by our quality assurance team, and if approved, you'll receive 300 experience points and 50 coins for each submitted and approved feedback. Feedback without image proof will not be rewarded, and images that contain sensitive information will be removed. Images that are offensive in any way will be deleted from the website, and the accounts of the users who submitted them will be suspended. The rewards will be credited to your account after up to 3 business days. Additionally, successful feedback with approved images will be showcased at the top of the bonus and feature a bonus verification badge. You can expand the bonus verification details by clicking on the Verified By field. By taking advantage of this feature, you can get noticed by the Chipy community and earn more rewards. Visit our bonus blog to find new promotions you can review and get rewarded for it.